Translation. Shivananda Chakravarti, the 33rd branch, who always lived in Vrindavan with firm conviction, is considered an important branch of Gadadhar Pandit. Purport. The Gaura Ganadesh Deepika, verse 183, mentions that Shivananda Chakravarti was formerly Lavanga Manjari. Gaur Ganadesh Deepika, one book, is written by the son of Shivananda Sen. His name is Kavi Karnapur. Here he mentioned, identified the different devotees who are in Krishna's pastimes. So, Shivananda Chakravarti was Lavanga Manjari in Krishna's pastimes. We can see Lavanga Manjari female, and here Shivananda Chakravarti male. So, devotees explain that like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu inaugurated Sankirtan movement. It is actually non-different from Ras Leela, Krishna's pastimes. But in Krishna's pastimes, Ras Leela only can perform at night time. But the devotees of Kali Yuga are so fortunate. They can chant anytime. And Ras Leela only female is allowed. Females are allowed. But Krishna's Sankirtan pastimes, anybody can. So that devotees like Lavanga Manjari, this type of devotees always want to the association of Krishna, but due to female body, they cannot approach always. That is in Kali Yuga they come in the male form so that they can always can associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Shakha Nirnaya, written by Jadunandan Das. This is another book. It's called Shakha Nirnaya. Shakha means branches. Nirnaya means identifying. So Shakha Nirnaya, who is what? So Jadunandan Das also written another book. It's called Shakha Nirnaya. So identifying different devotees in who is branch. Also names other branches as follows. One, Madhacharya. Second, Gopal Das. Third, Hidayananda. Fourth, Vallabh Bhatta. The Vallabh Sampradaya or Pushtimar Sampradaya is very famous. Here, we know this Vallabhacharya Sampradaya is Pushtimar. Those who chant Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, their followers tell that Vallabhacharya actually Mahaprabhu. Actually, Vallabhacharya was contemporary of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We can see in Madhya Leela, Vallabhacharya in Prayag, he invited Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his home. He was a Grihastha. He was a staunch follower of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he took initiation, though he is from Vishnu Sampradaya, but he took initiation from Gadadhar Pandit. They were following Gadadhar Pandit, but once upon a time, when Mahaprabhu, when Vallabhacharya met Mahaprabhu at Prayag, that he was Vallabhacharya, a very scholarly person. He wrote so many commentaries. So once he showed some commentary of Srimad Bhagavatam, and he told Mahaprabhu that I have written this commentary without touching the commentary of Siddharth Swami. So Mahaprabhu chastised him. So those who are not following Swami, they are actually prostitute. In such a way, Mahaprabhu chastised him. So that Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami has mentioned this thing in Chaitanya Charitamrita. So Mahaprabhu chastised him as a prostitute. Later on, when Vallabhacharya's followers saw that Mahaprabhu chastised him as prostitute, they became angry. So that is, from that time they started to call their Guru as Mahaprabhu. Actually, Vallabhacharya was a strange follower of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Here you can see Vallabh Bhatta, Prabhupada has mentioned that he is the Vallabhacharya Sampradaya or Pushti Marg Sampradaya is very famous. Adharang Madhuram, this type of famous song he has written. Number 5th, Madhu Pandit. This famous devotee lived near Kharda in the village known as Shanibona Gram. About 2 miles east of Kharda station, and constructed the temple of Gopinathji in Vrindavan. Number 6th, Achyutananda. 7th, Chandrasekhar. 8th, Bakreshwar Pandit. 9th, Damodar. 10th, Bhagavan Acharya. 11th, Ananto Acharya Varja. 12th, Krishnadas. 13th, Paramananda Bhattacharya. 14th, Bhavananda Goswami. 15th, Chaitanya Das. 16th, Loknath Bhatto. He is another famous devotee from Bangladesh. Loknath Bhatto, this devotee who lived in village of Talakhari in the district of Jashore and constructed the temple of Radha Vinod, was the spiritual master of Narottam Das Thakur and a great friend of Bhugarabha Goswami. Bhugarabha Goswami and Bhagavad Das both stayed in Vrindavan. The Loknath Bhatto was Loknath Das Goswami. He also disciple of Gadadhar Pandit. He was the spiritual master of Narottam Das Thakur. 17th, Govinda Acharya. 18th, Akru Thakur. 19th, Sanket Acharya. 20th, Pratapaditya. 21st, Kamalakanta Acharya. 22nd, Jadav Acharya. And 23rd, Narayan Parihari, a resident of Jagannath Puri. As Gadadhar Pandit stayed rest of his life in Jagannath Puri, he took disciple from there also. After that, branches, explanation of the different devotees' name is complete. So now, Kaviraj Goswami is giving the conclusion. এই তো সংক্ষেপে কহিলাম পণ্ডিতের গান. Please show that. Please repeat. এই তো সংক্ষেপে কহিলাম পণ্ডিতের গান, ওইছে আর শাখা উপশাখার গণন. Thus, I have briefly described the branches and sub-branches of Gadadhar Pandit. There are still many more that I have not mentioned here. So it is not possible to mention all the names. So important name, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami mentioned. Panditer Gansha Bhagavata Dhanna Prana Vallabha Shavar Sri Krishna Chaitanya. All the followers of Gadadhar Pandit are considered great devotees, Bhagavad Dhanna, because they have Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as their life and soul. Why they are fortunate? Nowadays, fortunate means those who have Mercedes car, big house, lot of bank balance. But according to spiritual calculation, why they are Bhagavad Dhanna? Prana Vallabha Shavar Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Because they have Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as their life and soul. এই তিন স্কন্ধের কইলু শাখার গণন, যা সবার স্মরণে ভববন্ধ বিমোচন। Simply by remembering the names of all these branches and sub-branches of the three trunks I have described, Nityananda, Advaita and Gadadhar, one attains freedom from the entanglement of material existence. Sri Sri Radha Gokulananda Ji ki, Ram Lakshman Sita Hanuman Ji ki, Patit Pavan Gaur Nitai ki. So we are reading from past few chapters only different names. Sometimes confusion may come. So what is the use of hearing all these names? Unnecessarily, volume of the big has increased. So clear that confusion here. Kaviraj Goswami told, এই তিন স্কন্ধের কইলু শাখার গণন। তিন স্কন্ধ. স্কন্ধ means? Skandha actually means branch. Like branch of a tree is called skandha. Like Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam actually looks like a tree. The tree is divided by different skandha. That is, Srimad Bhagavatam is different skandha, 12 skandha. And skandha there is leaves. Like Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has written one book, Madhurya Kadambini. Madhurya means sweet mellow. Kadambini means cloud. So how you can divide cloud? You can divide cloud by drop of rain. It's called, Bengali called the Brishti. That is why his chapter is called Pratham Brishti, Ditiya Brishti, Titiya Brishti. First drop of rain, second drop of rain, that way they subdivide. Rupa Goswami in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, his book is Ras Amrit Sindhu. Whatever Ras is Bhakti Ras, mellow of devotion, is like if someone drinks, he will become immortal. That is Amrita. And quantity is unlimited. That is a Sindhu. Bhakti Ras Amrita Sindhu. So how you divide? Ocean you cannot divide. Ocean you can divide only east, west, north, south. That is a Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Eastern side, southern side, northern side, western side. Then if you want to again divide ocean, how you can divide? Only by waves, lahori. Pratham lahori, Ditiya lahori, Titiya lahori. In such this Srimad Bhagavatam is branch, divided into skandha. The skandha means branch. So here, Kaviraj Goswami explained Nityananda, Advaita and Gadadhar Pandit's different branches. Why? Here he mentioned, Jasava Smarone Bhava Bandha Vimochan. Simply by remembering their name, one will liberate from the material entanglement. How powerful these names. Simply by remembering their names, one can entangle from material classes. Jasava Smarone Pai Chaitanya Charan, Jasava Smarone Hoy Banchita Puran. Simply by remembering the names of these Vaishnavas, one can attain the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Indeed, simply by remembering their holy names, one achieves the fulfillment of all desires. Simply by, here said, no need of chanting their name. If we simply remember, Jasavas Marone Hai Banchita Puran. Simply by remembering their name, Banchita Puran, all the desire will be fulfilled. So, can you give me the laptop? how important the names of the Vaishnavas. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, actually it is written by Raghunath Das Goswami in Monoshiksha. Is it okay? Raghunath Das Goswami has written some songs, not songs, Sanskrit shlok. It's called Monoshiksha. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur made in song form every verses. Monoshiksha. So then in 5th verse, there he mentioned the importance chanting the name of the Vaishnavas, how powerful. Kamo krodho lobo moho modo matsya rata saho jiber jibon pathe boshi. Jiber jibon path. Path means road. So, living entity is traveling in the path. They want to go back to Godhead in the road. But in the road, there are some enemies. Like, if we travel in the road, we should always careful, fearful about the enemies. So what are the enemies in this road? Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moho, Mat, Matsarya. These 6 are the enemies. They are sitting to plunder us. Jiber jibon pathe boshi. Boshi means sitting. They are sitting on the road, the way we want to go back to Godhead. Asat chesta rojju phashe pothikira dharma nashe pran loye kore koshakoshi. These 6 plunderers, they have to bind the traveler. They are in their hand there are some ropes. What are the ropes? Rojju means rope. Asat chesta. Asat chesta means chesta means endeavor. Asat means asat means temporary, but another meaning asat means yes, unreal. Asat means actually here unreal. So, without the desire, without the intention of progressing Krishna consciousness, all other desire actually asat chesta. False endeavor. We can translate asat chesta as false endeavor. This type of Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, they are holding different types of asat chesta. When we want to approach Krishna consciousness, they will show us Mercedes. Oh, take this. Why you want to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra? Unnecessarily wasting 2 hours. If you work in my company, you will get a lot of money. This type of allurement. Different types. Kam also, Krodh, Lobh. They are, with different type of ropes, they are giving us, take it. And when we will accept that, they will trap us. Fash. Fash means trapping. And by trapping, they will try to drag our soul from the body. Pranle kore koshakoshi. Mon tumi dharo vakya mor. The teachings of mind. Then say, oh mind, please listen my word. You should be careful when you will travel in this road. These types of plunderers are there. Please listen my word. How, when you are walking, how you will overcome them. Then they are giving nice instruction. Eisha bat par otishay durnibar. Jokhon ঘিরিয়া করে জোর, এই সব বাটপার, these are cheaters. The 6, they are cheaters actually. অতিশয় দুর্নিবার, very difficult to overcome. যখন ঘিরিয়া করে জোর, they don't come always alone. They come sometimes all 6. cover us. Ghiriya means circumambulate us. And forces us, give this, take this. What type of cheaters? Like we are carrying 1,000 rupees note, or biggest note is here, 50 pound. Okay, 1,000 pounds note in our hand. And some cheater will go, oh, what will you do with this? Take this chewing gum, chocolate, you can release it, what you will do with this? Sometimes we cheat the children in such a way. The cheaters also, when you are carrying wealth, Krishna consciousness, the cheaters will give this type of, what is called, temporary things or illusory things, and try to cheat us. What do you, after death, what are you going to get? But if you work with me, you will get this time, then you will enjoy. I will give you home, I will give you car, I will give you money. But after coming Krishna consciousness, at least we can understand these are cheaters. But sometimes, though we know they are cheaters, still sometimes we become defeated by them because six are together. Jokhon ghiriya kare jor, we can understand. Like sometimes we can understand, oh, I became angry. I want to control, but I cannot. Some lusty desires. I know that if I trap, my whole life will be spoiled. But I have no control over that. So what to do that time? We can understand that 6 plunderers has come, want to kill me. But in the dead of night, 6 person has come in this way. There is no way to survive. So then, Bhaktivinoda Thakur giving some suggestion how to survive in such a condition. আর কিছু না করিয়া বৈষ্ণবের নাম লইয়া ফুকারিয়া ডাকো উচ্চরায়. That time, give up all type of hope and just simply chant the name of the Vaishnavas. Why? Why we should chant the name of the Vaishnava? Then, here mentioned, the Vaishnavas are the soldiers of Vishnu. Bhakshatru Shenagane. Shena means army. Bhakshatru means Krishna. Bakashur, enemy of Bakashur, Krishna. Bhakshatru means Krishna. Bhakshatru Shenagane. The army of Krishna, Vaishnavas are the actual army of Krishna. Kripa kori nijo jane. They will try to protect us because we are the devotee of Srila Prabhupada, Krishna. Jate kore uddharo tomai. বাটোবার 6 জন অসচ্চেষ্ট রজ্জুগণ দিয়া গলে করিল বন্ধন. We should chant the name of the Vaishnava chants and we should say, O Vaishnav Thakur, O Srila Prabhupada, O Guru Maharaj, O Rupa Goswami. These 6 Bhatpar has come. They have given noose in my throat and dragging me. Please come and save me. Like, what will benefit by chanting this name? This name actually helpline. Like when you go in a highway there is in a board, there is some number, it is called helpline. Why that helpline? Because those who has made this road, they knew very well that this big road, so many plunderers may come, sometime problem may come. That is why they has given some helpline. If you face some trouble, please call this number. In the same way, on the way to back to Godhead, this highway, who has made this highway? The Vaishnavas has made this highway. At the same time, they knew very well so many plunderers will come. That is why I have given their helpline. If any problem, call my name. Why? Like, if someone, who is the president here? Huh? Okay, not temple, in UK. We are not fearful to ISKCON temple president. Like in India, Narendra Modi. Yes, some police or some want to cheat you. If you say, I am calling Narendra Modi, how will it happen? What will happen to that person? If someone want to cheat you, if you want to call him, I am calling Narendra Modi, what will happen to him? You will be fearful, no? Narendra Modi. By simply hearing his name, he will run away. So in the same way, this Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Mad, Matsarja, these cheaters, so many times defeated by these Vaishnavas, my spiritual master, Prabhupada, previous Acharya, Vaishnava, they have kicked them out. They want to cheat them also, but they have defeated. Now, if we chant their name, by hearing their name, they will fearful and run away. That is why when we are in trouble, simply chant their name. বাটপার 6 জন অসৎ চেষ্টা রজ্জুগণ দিয়া গলে করিল বন্ধন প্রাণবায়ু গত প্রায় রূপ রঘুনাথ হায় কর ভক্তি বিনোদে রক্ষণ. Bhakti Vinod Thakur saying, O Rup Goswami, O Raghunath Goswami, my life here is going out. Please come and save me. So, we should learn in such a way. We are always in the trouble. That is why we should always chant the name of the Vaishnavas. Can you sing this song? Okay, let's give it a try. কাম ক্রোধ লোভ মোহ মদ মাৎসরতা সহ কাম ক্রোধ লোভ মোহ মদ মাৎসরতা সহ জীবের জীবন পথে বসি জীবের জীবের জীবন পথে বসি জীবের অসৎ চেষ্টার রজ্জু ফাঁসে পথিকের ধর্ম নাশে প্রাণ লয়ে করে কষাকষি প্রাণ লয়ে প্রাণ লয়ে করে কষাকষি প্রাণ লয়ে করে কষা মন তুমি ধর বাক্য মোর মন তুমি এই সব বাট পার অতিশয় দূর নিবার এই সব যখন ঘিরিয়া করে জোর, যখন যখন ঘিরিয়া করে জোর, যখন ঘিরিয়া করে, আর কিছু না করিয়া বৈষ্ণবের নাম লইয়া, আর কিছু ফুকারিয়া ডাকো উচ্চরায়, ফুকারিয়া ফুকারিয়া ডাকো উচ্চরায়, ফুকারিয়া বক শত্রু সেনাগণে কৃপা করিনি যোজনে, যাতে করে উদ্ধার তোমায়, যাতে করে যাতে করে উদ্ধার তোমায়, যাতে করে বাট পার ছয় জন অসত্রেষ্টার যুগন, দিয়া গলে করিল বন্ধন, দিয়া গলে দিয়া গলে করিল বন্ধন, দিয়া গলে প্রাণবায়ু গত প্রায় রূপ রঘুনাথ হায়, কর ভক্তি বিনোদে রক্ষণ, কর ভক্তি বিনোদে রক্ষণ, কর হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে। হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. If we call, then what will happen? They will come. And what will they say? Why are you so fearful? I am here. That is why we should always remember and chant the name. Here I said, no need of chanting. If we remember also, that is also powerful. অতএব তা সবার বন্দিয়ে চরণ চৈতন্য মালির কহি লীলায় অনুক্রম. Therefore, offering my obeisances at the lotus feet of them all, I shall describe the pastimes of the gardener, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in chronological order. গৌর লীলামৃত সিন্ধু অপার অগাধ কে করিতে পারে তাহান অবগাহ সাদ. The ocean of the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is immeasurable and unfathomable. Who can have the courage to measure that great ocean? Gauro Lila Amrita Sindhu. The pastimes of Gauranga Mahaprabhu is compared with ocean. Apar. Apar means unlimited. Agad means there is no limit of the depth also. Apar Agad. There is no limit of depth and boundary. Ke korite pare taha abogaho shat. Who can, abogaho means taking bath. Who can relish? Prabhupada here translated this shad here explained execution. Who can have the courage to measure that great ocean? And the last of the Chaitanya Charitamrita, again Kaviraj Goswami compared the Chaitanya Charitamrita is the like a sky. Sky is unlimited. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's pastimes also unlimited. Though sky is unlimited, but the bird will fly according to their ability. It is not that, sky is unlimited, so how we can fly up to that limit? No. Sky may be unlimited, but birds will fly according to their strength. In the same way, Chaitanya pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also unlimited. The devotees can relish according to their power or limit. তাহার মাধুর্য গন্ধে লুব্ধ হয় মন অতএব তাতে তটে রহি চাকি এক কণ. It is not possible to dip into the great ocean, but its sweet mellow fragrance attracts my mind. I therefore stand on the shore of that ocean to try to taste but a drop of it. Now we go, if you are so small, why are you going to the ocean? Why not taking bath in a tap? But here saying, no, actually, tahar madhurja gandha, the sweet mellow fragrance, actually, lubdha hoy mon, it attracts my mind. That is why, though I am very small, no need of the ocean, but that sweet mellow, the fragrance attracts my mind. That is why I am going to the thought in the beach. Chaki account, just Chaki means tasting one drop. In the end of this Chaitanya Charitamrita, Prabhupada Goswami said, he compared with him Ranga Tuntuni, very small bird. He said, I am very small bird, one drop water is sufficient for quench my thirst. But still, no need of the ocean. But the ocean is so nice, I want to go to the bank and want to drink from there. Sri Rupa Raghunath Pade Jaro Ash Chaitanya Charitamrita Kahe Krishna Das. Praying at the lotus feet of Sri Rupa and Raghunath, Sri Raghunath, always desiring their mercy, I, Krishnadas, narrate Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, following in their footsteps. Thus end the Bhaktivedanta purports to Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Lila, 12th chapter, describing the expansions of Advaita Acharya and Gadadhar Pandit. Hare Krishna. Any question or comment? Hare Krishna. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita ki, Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki, Samaved Gaur Bhakta Binda ki, Gaur Premanandi.